You know, I don't know who needs to hear this today, but America has fallen. America has fallen. It's not falling. It's not on the decline. It's done. It's over. Our economy is crippled. We're being ran by an idiot fascist dictator who has the IQ that Tic Tacs have calories. Like it's America has absolutely fallen. And the honest to God's truth was, this has always been coming, right? We kind of put it off every now and then, right? But America was always going to fall because it's a capitalistic economy, and capitalism does not work without slavery. Slavery was never abolished in the United States. It was rebranded for mass consumption of all nationalities. And that's why these white supremacists are backpedaling on that, because they're like, yeah, this really isn't working like the original slavery did, right? We got to find a way to like make that legal again. We got to find a way to bring that shit back. They don't actually believe in genetic superiority. I mean, maybe somebody like Hegseth does, because he's a fucking baseball mitt. But somebody like Trump only cares about one color, and that's green. And they're not going to forfeit billions and trillions of dollars because they suddenly developed morals and ethics. They don't care. The only way that a capitalistic economy can survive in America is through slavery. And that is why they propagate so many dumb Southern white people to believe that socialism or communism are bad, where it would vastly benefit them and increase their quality of life. If communism and socialism are so bad, then why is it the socialist and communist country like China and Russia outpacing us in way of weapons, technology, infrastructure, education, cost of living, life expectancy, quality of life? The only thing we're beating them in is citizens incarcerated per capita. That's the only thing that America currently leads the globe in. And why? Because that is the only way that slavery is constitutionally legal. You didn't put that together? Guys, America has absolutely fallen, and there is no going back to a capitalistic economy unless you want to be slaves to the oligarch. That is an absolute reality that everybody has to reconcile now. And the only way that America successfully moves forward is if we rip racism out, root and fucking stem. Because at the fundamental core of every piece of political and economic discord that America suffers, all of our domestic terrorism, all the crimes against humanity, all the propaganda and rhetoric, all of our financial issues, it all comes from racism. Hands down, no ifs, ands, or buts. It's time to start having real conversations like this, guys. Because we got to rebuild. It's where we're at.